What's happening, YouTube? Right now, I am cruising on a boat somewhere in Mexico. I'm recording this lesson 2 weeks ahead of time. In case I don't have internet, I don't want to miss a free Friday. It's Wednesday, October the 22nd. Now, in this time zone here, in this reality, is also happening now in your reality. It's crazy like that. It's just crazy that the past exists at the same time the present does, and the future all at once, right here, right now on YouTube. Subscribe today for more information about dark matter and quantum physics and harmonica. I got a G harp today. It's going to be a tough one today. Today is for advanced students interested in chromaticism on the diatonic. We're going to be taking major triads and approaching each note of that triad with 2 chromatic half steps before. If this sounds like too much for you, it might be. Stick with me. I do a lot of simple lessons. A lot of basic, a lot of beginner lessons. Just type in beginner, Jason Ricci. Type in easy, Jason Ricci. I put those things in the tags so that you will get it when you want it. Going on the boat with Damon Fowler and Boogie Long and the band that we call DeSoto Tigers. Testimony. They're great. That's right. And this is one of Damon's licks. Let's get right into it. Right into the subject matter. Major triad number 1 in cross harp. Key of D, G. G harp. So there's our triad. So we're going to approach each tone chromatically with 2 half steps. There's the first one. Next one. Next one after that. So I'm going up to the root chromatically, up to the third chromatically, up to the fifth. Do it backwards. Right. Next chord of a blues. You can do this with any chords you want to. I'm just giving you the ones I know. Next chord going up to the root of 4. Here's our triad. 4 blow, 5 blow, 6 blow. So I got to go up to 4 chromatically, up to the third of 4, up to the fifth of 4. Backwards. Back to the 1. That's it. Okay. Next chord, 5. This one's my favorite. It feels really good to play. If you're an overblower, man, when I discovered this, which was recently, really recently, I was really excited about it. So here's our triad. 4 draw, 5 overblow, 6 draw. And here's the chromatic up. It's really easy to play. Really, really fun to play that. So that'd be good. In third position, that'd be the 1 chord. I need to practice it. It's so cool. I just discovered it. I can't believe I've neglected my practicing this long that at 51 years old, that's the first time I came up with that. Anybody should have come up with that in their first year of overblowing, but I was lazy. Lazy. All right, so here I'm going to put them all together in a blues. 4. So it might sound like a whole bunch of technical mumbo jumbo. So let's put it into some real stuff. So I'm going to go over here first to a regular blues 145 backing track provided by my man Ice B. I just learned his name, Ice B, from MCCD Sessions. Out of England, I believe, unless I'm wrong. All right, it's called Chicago Blues backing track, Swing Blues in D. Here we go. So I can use as little of it or as much of it as I want. Just the thirds. Just the fifths. Me not even being very good at it and just kind of messing around with it, all right? I could get a lot better at it. So now, with some more complicated changes, still a blues, just with some extra chords in here, and quick fours, raise 4, diminish, 6 chord on bar 8, and a 2-5, I can change it up a little bit. stuff like that. I could get a lot better at it. That's what it is. They're called enclosures. Some people call them approach tones. I'm not sure exactly what the difference is. Enclosures, approach tones, whatever works for you. That's the lesson today. Stay tuned for the credits. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in to Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. 16 years of incredible YouTube harmonica-related content. That's right, 16 years. At this point, over 500 free instructional videos. If you're interested in what kind of harmonicas I play, microphones, amplifiers, pedals, any harmonica related products, please check out my sponsors. These sponsors, in one way or another, also help keep these videos going. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about Blue Moon Harmonicas, bringing you the best in custom harmonicas. We got custom cover plates, custom combs. You can get your name put on it, just like me. Reed work, refurbished pre-war marine bands. Look at that, they put the little brace there, no more crushing the covers. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, the very best in pedals, microphones, almost anything you need for your amplified harmonica need. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, right here out of Ponchatoula, Louisiana. We got you. Harp gear, amplifiers. They got big ones, they got small ones. You know what they sound like? They sound like the best tube amps on the market. Harp gear amplifiers out of Ocala, Florida. Pedal pad, pedal boards. Incredible custom pedal boards built to last, made by two brothers who really, really care. Hohner harmonicas. A Mooncat loves the Hohner harmonica. I like the Marine Band. I get Tom to put the little special 20 cover plates on it. He tricks them out, but they play great right out of the box. All of these sponsors are linked below in the description box. What else is linked below? Patreon. Consider becoming a Patreon patron. You'll be supporting me. You'll be supporting the cause. You'll be keeping these videos free for everybody. And you'll get a lot of extra content over at Patreon. You'll get vlogs, occasionally some extra lessons, some posts that you might not see on Facebook. A lot of stuff that I can't say or won't say here on YouTube is over on Patreon. I love my Patreon family. You guys are the best. If you're not into the monthly subscription, you can also give me a one-time tip at Venmo or PayPal below too. I'm a touring musician and I play all over the country, really all over the world with all kinds of different acts. Check out my website, www.mooncat.org. In all seriousness, YouTube, Patreon, my sponsors have absolutely changed my life. Subscribe below, set reminders for the videos. Don't miss any events. Every single Friday there's a free harmonica lesson and a lot more. Even if you're just subscribing, you're helping me a lot. Those of you that are joining me on Patreon, you guys are helping me to make better decisions with my career. In all sincerity, thank you so much, YouTube, for just an incredible, incredible outlet. It's a video diary. I get to look back at 16 years of these videos. Met a lot of new friends, some really fine musicians, made some great contacts in the industry, and it's all because of you. Thank you, my harmonica family.